A nice little job in downtown Calgary near the Eau Claire market here, where I installed these wafer thin LED pot lights from Lithonia in place of the Elite pot lights with the cans and the LED bulbs there. So this guy over here was a challenge. I had to fish the wire across the ceiling here. Fortunately, had to cut a couple holes of drywall and anchor that electrical box into the ceiling there, but it turned out really good. The lighting in here is really awesome. That product from Lithonia is great. Been using that for years, no issues, loving it. Puts out great natural looking light there. A couple of dimmer switches installed over there. Project turned out really well.